Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have entry number 22 from Ms. J 00. You are entry number 22, Janet, and I am going to open up her envelope here. Janet has a YouTube channel, Ms. J 00, and she is an excellent crafter. Like, I'm serious. She does good work. So she enters a lot of challenges like Deck the Year, and she supports a lot of people actually by being in all of their challenges. So go out and check out her channel, and she'll like create this beautiful thing, and she's so nonchalant about it. She's like, oh, here, I made this beautiful Ferris wheel. And it's like this souped up 3D Ferris wheel. And she's just like, oh, I made this Ferris wheel. And, you know, and it's so fabulous. Okay, Deanna. Oh, she put it between cardboard so it wouldn't get smashed up. And she actually lives in California. Okay. That's some pretty washi tape, by the way. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I know she made this. Guys, when I tell you that this, you made this. I wonder if this is a printable. And then she added, oh, I bet I could go look at her channel, and she has this on her channel. But this is what I think she did. I think this is a printable. But then I think she added these stickles, all these little glitter spots. But look at this peacock. Guys, this is so gorgeous, and my camera is not doing this any justice. But she added stickles in here. I just know it. And Janet, I love peacocks. I used to have peacock pillows. I still have two beautiful peacocks. One that my daughter gave to me about 15 years ago, and one I bought about 8 years ago from, both of them are from Pier 1. But anyway, that is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Deanna, happy birthday. Hope your birthday is filled with many blessings. Your friend, Janet, Miss J 00. Thank you. Look at that. I hope all your birthday wishes come true. And she made it to where I could reuse this card. But honey, this card is not going anywhere. I'm keeping it. Look at her beautiful card. I have to take it out of this sleeve. It's the same peacock with all the stickles on the tail, you know, for the eyes. And then, what is that? Oh, Janet. That is so pretty, this flower. The way she uses that glitter, I think she calls them stickles. They make such a beautiful element to this card. My gosh. All you ladies do such beautiful work. So, YouTube name, Miss J. Favorite color is blue. Her birthday is November 15th. And her crafty style, she has no set style. She just likes to have fun and try new things. She loves spending time with her family, taking long walks, watching movies, and anything chocolate. Girl, you are a woman after my own heart. So I got to find November. Gosh, the Novembers are really filling up. Let's see. Here's the Novembers. So you are the 4th person in November. Let's see. And here you go. Look at all these different Novembers. Look at all the different styles. Wow. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Miss J, Janet, you are in my book here. You are number 22. Thank you so much. Hope everybody's having a great day, guys. Bye.